Step 4. Clean your audio with Adobe Audition. Okay, so you've recorded your audio. It sounds good, but there's still a little hint or weird sound in the background. Don't panic. Here's how I clean it up in Adobe Audition. Super easy. Open your audio file, play a little bit of the audio.
Sweets or snacks if needed. Little things like this.
So the video is good, but still there is a noise background. So there is a little magic that we can do about it. So first, what do? We will identify the part that is quiet enough and highlight it. So this is the part. So we'll highlight it. That's why and play it to hear the noise. Yes, that's the noise. So what do we do next? We come here at the effects, noise reduction, capture noise print, press OK. After that, Control A by highlighting, then Control Shift P. Then presets, preset custom to default. So after doing that, we have noise reduction, reduced by, and spectral decay rate. What do we do? Expand noise reduction to the highest point possible. So to me, I do it to 94%, then spectral decay to maybe 5%. And boom, carry this to the left side and then apply. After applying, this is what we have. You can see the wavelength has been reduced and the purple part are now black. So this is what we have. Let's play it.
Neighbors or busy road. Here's what you can do. Close the doors and windows. Switch off fans.
You can hear how clean it is. That is how we reduce the noise from the background of your audio using Adobe Audition.